I have a leaky shower, and that's not a desirable condition, so I'm going to fix it today. This type of shower has two valves, a hot and a cold, and I think that only one of them allows water to leak through. The water feels cold on my hand, so I'm going to take a guess that the cold valve is the offending one. So I will take the handle and shroud off and see what it looks like behind there. I've turned off water service to the house, so there's no pressure in these lines anymore. So now I'll take apart this valve. The handle's held on by a Phillips screw. And this metal shroud screws on, so we'll unscrew that.